She lost 217 pounds without surgery or pills. Here's how. Imagine waking up every day feeling like your own body is working against you, where every meal, every choice, seems to push you backward. That's exactly how Leah Hope felt before her transformation, carrying 217 extra pounds, struggling with fatigue, shame, and a sense of helplessness. But something changed, and it wasn't magic, surgery, or a miracle pill. In the next few moments, you'll discover the real secret behind the viral transformation in the US and understand how simple habits, consistency, and the right mindset can completely redefine your life. And if you think it's impossible, wait until you hear how she faced every obstacle without shortcuts, focusing on health and lasting real change. Leah started her journey in a simple way, but with determination that was impossible to ignore. Every step, every meal, every workout was carefully planned, without shortcuts or quick fixes. She didn't pursue surgery, nor did she use medications like Ozempic. She simply adjusted her daily routine to create a healthy calorie deficit, balance her macronutrients, and stay active consistently. In the beginning, the challenges were huge. The temptation to give up, critical stares, and frustration with slow results. But with every small victory, Leah discovered a strength she didn't know she had, proving that true change comes from persistence and commitment to oneself. The impact of Leah's transformation was not just physical, but also emotional and mental. As the pounds dropped, her self-confidence grew. Her energy levels soared, and the feeling of being in control of her life became increasingly real. She began sharing every stage on social media, quickly inspiring millions. It wasn't just about losing weight, but gaining freedom, discipline, and sustainable health. This emotional connection with the audience is what made her video go viral, showing that anyone can achieve extraordinary results with consistent habits, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles. But how did Leah turn ordinary habits into extraordinary results? The answer lies in simplicity applied strategically. She began by swapping processed foods for nutritious options, setting consistent meal times, and incorporating workouts she could maintain daily, even if only 20-30 minutes. It wasn't about extreme intensity, but about regularity and conscious choices. Each workout became a small commitment to her future, and every healthy meal an act of self-love. This practical approach is what allows anyone, even with a busy schedule or emotional challenges, to see real results without relying on miracles or risky shortcuts. Over 3 years, Leah built not just a transformed body, but a resilient mind. Every obstacle, every momentary setback, was a learning opportunity. She realized it wasn't just about losing weight, but creating a lifestyle that works long-term, combining discipline, patience, and self-acceptance. Leah's story resonates deeply with those who have tried everything and felt stuck in cycles of frustration, showing that true transformation isn't instant, but consistent. Most importantly, she proved real changes can be sustainable, avoiding extreme solutions that promise quick results but fade fast. And here's the secret many people overlook. Small daily changes have a huge cumulative effect. Leah adopted simple adjustments anyone could follow, like drinking more water, prioritizing quality sleep, and tracking progress. Every small action, repeated daily, created a domino effect that transformed her life. This is the critical point that separates viral stories from mere weight loss attempts: consistency. And this is exactly the kind of approach the American audience loves. It inspires, motivates, and shows that extraordinary results are within reach for anyone who decides to act with discipline and awareness. Beyond habit discipline, Leah also focused on strengthening her internal health, understanding that healthy weight loss goes far beyond the scale. She paid attention to digestion, hormonal balance, and immunity, integrating natural foods and supplements to optimize daily performance. Among these strategic choices, SleepLEAN stood out as an ally for appetite control and recovery, helping maintain the routine without extreme sacrifices. It's important to note that it's not a miracle pill, but a natural support that complements healthy habits. Leah's journey proves that combining consistency, smart choices, and mindful supplementation creates real and lasting results. Today, Leah Hope is not just an example of physical transformation, but a symbol of resilience and discipline. Her story inspires millions to believe they can change without relying on shortcuts or quick fixes. For the American audience, her journey is perfect because it shows effort, realism, and tangible results. If you want to start your own transformation, remember, every small choice counts. Replacing harmful habits, prioritizing sleep, hydration and movement, and including natural allies like SleepLEAN can be the push you need to reach your goals healthily and sustainably, just like Leah did. Now, imagine how your life could change if you started today applying the same principles that transformed Leah Hope. It's not about extreme diets, surgery, or risky medications, but consistent decisions that create real results over time. Every conscious step, every healthy habit you implement, builds a solid foundation for lasting change. For daily inspiration, progress tracking, and a safe way to boost results, integrating natural supplements like SleepLEAN can be your next step. The SleepLEAN link is available in the description for you to explore and start incorporating into your routine. Before we wrap up, think about how many stories like Leah's go unnoticed every day, yet could inspire you to act now. Every small step you take toward healthy habits creates a cumulative effect that transforms body, mind, and self-esteem. The key is consistency and smart choices, and you don't have to do it alone. With natural allies like SleepLEAN available in the description, it's possible to enhance results healthily, creating a sustainable lifestyle. Watch our next video as well, where we'll reveal more real transformation stories that will motivate you even further to take action today. Bye.